Good evening, you're watching 7 at 7. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. Our big focus right here on the broadcast is Rhea Chakraborty, the actress, now being booked for cheating, theft, abetment to suicide by... All right, we begin with the news break that we've been tracking. Now, there is seemingly a huge twist in Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide probe. The Bihar police has filed an FIR against Sushant's girlfriend, Rhea Chakraborty. The FIR filed on the basis of Sushant Singh Rajput's father. Rhea has now been booked for cheating, theft, abetment to suicide. The FIR says Rhea betrayed Sushant, grabbed 17 crore and cut Sushant off from his family. A Bihar police team of 4 has been sent to Mumbai to investigate the matter. The team will meet the Mumbai police and get the necessary documents apart from the case diary. The team consists of 2 inspectors and 2 sub-inspectors. This is huge news, viewers, because this is for the first time a tangible FIR has been lodged to pin the blame of Sushant's suicide on someone. And what's important to note that this comes in from no one but the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. The father has lodged a complaint on the basis of which an FIR has been lodged. What's even more to read into all of this is on the counts on which Rhea Chakraborty has been charged, right from abetment to suicide to cheating. I want to connect immediately to my colleague Devesh, who's joining us live with the latest updates on that story. Devesh, I just want you to take us through the charges slapped on Rhea Chakraborty in that FIR, because those are serious charges: abetment to suicide, cheating, and God alone knows what else. Can you take us through the charges on Rhea Chakraborty on that FIR filed on the basis of information given by Sushant's father?
Preeti, the charges, according to the FIR, are under section 341, 342 for wrongful confinement, 420 for cheating, where there is also 306, that is abetment to suicide, that has been registered by KK Singh, the father of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, at the Rajiv Nagar police station in Patna. Based on this FIR, the investigation team from Patna, a 4-member team, has arrived in Mumbai. They got in touch with Mumbai police and are now further carrying out their investigations. They've also sought details regarding Rhea's statement that police had recorded earlier. Rhea's statement was one of the first statements that was recorded by Mumbai police when they started their probe in connection with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. These sections that have been mentioned in the FIR registered at Patna are very serious in nature, because it also alleges that around 17 crore rupees were siphoned off by Rhea Chakraborty. Let me also bring out details that we had earlier known about. There are 2 companies that were registered in Mumbai, in which Rhea, Sushant and Rhea's brother were directors. So there was a financial trail that was to be investigated, but that was not part of the probe by Mumbai police initially. But now that the FIR has been registered and it alleges that a lot of money was siphoned off from Sushant Singh Rajput by Rhea Chakraborty, this will be proven.
Well, that still needs to be proven, and Devesh, we're going to still, we're going to keep coming back to you. I just want to take our viewers. A case has now been registered under section 341, 342, 380, 406, 420, 306 of the IPC. Now, this ranges, like my colleague Devesh was elucidating, from abetment to suicide, fraud, cheating, numerous charges, and these are very, very serious charges. They need to be proven, of course. I want to connect right now to my colleague Sushant, who's joining me from the studio. You know, Sushant, this is the first tangible, action that has been taken to pin the blame of Sushant's death on someone. This happens to be Rhea Chakraborty, his girlfriend in the case, and what's to note, it's come from his father. They've taken the time to mull, to think, and then taken action.
Definitely, and some shocking details emerging from the FIR. Let's just read some of the lines. Basically, the father said that he wanted to go farming, wanted to leave Bollywood, do farming, and he says that Rhea said, "अगर मेरी बात नहीं मानोगे तो मैं मीडिया में तुम्हारा medical certificate report दे दूंगी और बता दूंगी कि तुम पागल हो." This is one. Then he says that he had 17 crore rupees in a bank account, out of which 15 crore rupees just vanished to anonymous accounts. I mean, they was just gone. And then he also claims that on the 8th, when Riya Chakrabarti finally left the house, she blocked his number, she took cash, she took jewelry, and she took his cards with the PIN numbers. This is, as I said, shocking accusations. So all these charges being leveled. Remember, Preeti, we were discussing this earlier in the day when I said that for the last 6-7 months, whoever I spoke to told me that, Sushant Singh Rajput was not really in touch with anyone. He was being isolated, or he kept himself isolated. Nobody knew what was going on. He was changing doctors. Now we know that he was seeing one psychiatrist after the other. But did the family also not know? That is what they're accusing Riya Chakrabarti of doing. Very interestingly also, 1 week before he died, she leaves the house. Now the father is saying that she left all valuables with her and she left the house. So very interesting, but now let's see how this investigation proceeds, because till now they've been probing the Bollywood angle, how there were pressures on him, what happened, what sort of elite centers, how blind items were written about him, how he lost a lot of movies. So all that was being probed, but this is now, I think this is how the case will proceed now against Riya Chakrabarti, because she was the only person, and I also found it a little odd, as I told you earlier, that after a month of Sushant passing away, she comes out and says, well, we need a CBI inquiry. Yes, we need a CBI inquiry, but the follow-up line was very interesting, that she wanted to know the pressures on Sushant Singh Rajput. Well, who better to tell you the pressures on Sushant Singh Rajput than Riya Chakrabarti? She was the only person with him. If his parents were not in touch with him, if his friends and family were not in touch with him, if nobody from the film industry was speaking to him, the only person left is Riya Chakrabarti, who was with him throughout these last 6 months. Preeti?
Also, we just want to put this fact out there. Nobody is pinning blame on Riya Chakrabarti. They're just putting the facts out. She could very well be innocent. It's something that has to be proven. These are just charges. Once again, we want to make that very clear to our viewers. These are just pure charges. They need to be proven right now. Of course, the family of Sushant Singh Rajput feels that Riya Chakrabarti financially took advantage of him. There are details which were elucidated by my colleague Sushant. The family also feels that that she was instrumental in possibly keeping Sushant away from his family. Now, there can be no tangible proof of that. But what can be proven, Devesh, and I want to bring you in, and maybe you can take us further down on, the details of this FIR, because there are some which are rather shocking. Sushant read out a few. On the fact of money missing. On one account, 15 crore rupees vanishes into an anonymous account. Can you give us more details on what has been elucidated here?
Preeti, I would just want to read out these details that I've got it from my sources. This clearly states that the complaint against Riya Chakrabarti states that around 17 crore rupees were withdrawn or transferred from Sushant's account, and these were transferred to Riya's account. Then there are these charges, as we said earlier, 341, 342, 380, 406, 420.
Transferred to Riya Chakrabarti's account, or was that money transferred to an anonymous account?
No, the complaint states that Sushant's father has alleged in his complaint that
okay, Devesh, you go through the complaint.
17 crore rupees were withdrawn, were transferred from his account, and it was Sushant's girlfriend, Riya Chakrabarti, who was responsible for withdrawal of this amount, or transfer of this amount.
So Riya Chakrabarti was responsible. I want to pull in Sushant back. Sushant, I know you have the complaint with you. Will you take us through the details of this complaint? When was this transaction made? How much before Sushant Singh Rajput's death?
What on the transaction, मैंने अपने पुत्र का एक बैंक खाते की स्टेटमेंट से पता चला कि पिछले 1 साल लगभग 17 करोड़ रुपए मेरे बेटे के खाते नंबर दिस इस बैंक में थे. इस दौरान करीबन 15 करोड़ रुपए निकाला है. इस खाते से पैसे एक खाते में ट्रांसफर हुए हैं जिसका मेरे बेटे से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. दिस इज व्हाट इट एग्जैक्टली सेज. मेरे बेटे के सभी खातों की जांच की जाए और इन बैंक खातों, क्रेडिट कार्ड से कितना पैसा रिया के और उनके परिजनों और सहयोगियों के खातों में गया है, धोखेबाजी, एक षड्यंत्र और क्या ठगा गया है, ये जाना जाए. So this is exactly what the complaint says.
Read on. What else does the complaint say?
Also, the first para I'm reading. मेरे बेटे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत फिल्म लाइन छोड़कर कूर्ग केरल में खेती का व्यवसाय करना चाहते थे। उनके दोस्त महेश उनके साथ कूर्ग जाने के लिए तैयार थे, लेकिन रिया इस बात का विरोध कर रही थी कि तुम कहीं नहीं जाओगे। Again, you know, these are just accusations that I am reading directly from the complaint. अगर मेरी बात नहीं मानोगे तो मैं मीडिया में तुम्हारा मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट दे दूंगी और सबको ये बता दूंगी कि तुम पागल हो। जब रिया को लगा कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत इस बात को नहीं मान रहा है और उसका बैंक बैलेंस भी बहुत कम हो गया है, इस पर रिया ने सोचा कि अब सुशांत सिंह उसके किसी काम का नहीं रहा है, तो रिया जो कि सुशांत के साथ रह रही थी, दिनांक 8/6/2020 को सुशांत के घर से काफी सारा सामान, कैश, जेवरात, लैपटॉप, पासवर्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, उनके पिन नंबर, जिसमें सुशांत के अहम दस्तावेज, इलाज के सारे कागजात लेकर चली गई। मेरा बेटा सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का फोन नंबर अपने फोन में ब्लॉक कर दिया। प्रीति,
you know, just stay with me once again. You know, we wouldn't be fair if we continue to say and reinstate the fact that this is a complaint. This is not proven yet. This is a complaint by a father who's bereaved. It's now for the courts, it's now for the police to investigate on what exactly went down. But for the first time, a tangible action has been taken in the form of an FIR, a first information report filed on the basis of information given by a bereaved father, who's Sushant Singh's father, against his girlfriend, Riya Chakrabarti. Anisha, I want to bring you in on if you can take us through this case, the trajectory of this case, and if we go through, you know, the IPC, the kind of charges registered against the sections, you know, which have been counted for where Riya Chakrabarti is concerned.
Well, see, Sushant Singh Rajput's father, as my colleague was also just reading out the complaint, he has filed a very serious complaint with the sections as varied as wrongful confinement, theft, cheating, and abetment of suicide. What is going to be interesting to see is how this entire thing is going to play out, because as my colleague was just reading out, Sushant Singh Rajput's father has not only claimed that Riya Chakrabarti and her family members, in fact, he's named her family members as well, saying that she and her family members not only kept Sushant Singh Rajput cut away from his family and other people who could have possibly helped him, they also threatened him, and they are responsible for his suicide. So a lot of very, very serious allegations have been raised in this. But as you were just saying, we need to remember that this is only a complaint letter that has been given on the basis of which an FIR has been filed for under sections 341, 406, 306, 420, 380 of the IPC, which is basically wrongful confinement, theft, breach of trust, cheating, and abetment to suicide. Now, we'll have to see how the police is going to look into all of this. Remember, a lot of people have been called in for questioning by the Mumbai police, and now the Patna police has also registered this complaint. They've sent people to start investigation. So a long process still to go, but this, as you said, is the first tangible complaint with details that has come out, which seems to be indicating that Sushant Singh Rajput's father at least believes that it was his girlfriend Riya Chakrabarti and her family members who sort of pushed Sushant Singh Rajput, who sort of also made use of the fact that he was undergoing treatment for certain mental illness, or at least some sort of depression, and then where a lot of things went wrong and they are responsible for his suicide. That is the
what happens from here on. Just stay with me, Anisha, because a lot of people are right now asking that what happens. Are these charges, Devesh, I'll bring you in, these charges of abetment to suicide, 341, 342, 380, 406, 420, 306, that Riya has been charged under, are they bailable or is an arrest imminent?
These are most of these are non-bailable charges, but it's on the discretion of the investigating team. If they need to arrest an accused who's been charged with these sections, they can arrest, or they can call them for investigation. If they cooperate with investigation, if they record their statements time to time, they join in for interrogation time to time, there is no need for arrest. It's completely on the discretion of the investigating team. If they feel that arrest is necessary for interrogation of the accused, for custodial remand could be necessary, they would arrest the accused. They can obviously arrest the accused.
Okay, so it is on the discretion of, let's break this down, Devesh.
Riya Chakrabarti or
right, Devesh, let's break it down for our viewers. These charges, most of them non-bailable. It's on the discretion of the Bihar police, which is investigating this FIR, which has lodged this FIR. The Bihar police is in Mumbai. Now, it's for the Bihar police whether they want to go ahead with an arrest or they want to interrogate. But will the interrogation happen in Patna, where this FIR has been lodged, or in Mumbai, where the FIR has been lodged against Riya Chakrabarti? What happens? Could an arrest be made and she be taken to Bihar, or will an interrogation happen in Mumbai?
Preeti, as of now, it is, as I pointed out, it is the discretion of the investigating team. And there's a female who's involved in, who's being charged with these serious charges. If they go for arrest, if they seek arrest of Riya Chakrabarti, they'll have to arrest her, seek a transit remand from a Mumbai Metropolitan Magistrate Court, take her to Patna, where she'll be again produced in a court where they'll be seeking her remand, custodial remand, so that they could interrogate her in custodial remand for 2 or 3 days or 4 days, whatever time.
So that's option one, Devesh. Option one, the Bihar police.
Remand for interrogation.
Right. If my other colleagues can just be a little patient, I'm coming right back to them, but we're just going to break this down. Option one right now, Riya Chakrabarti is arrested by the Bihar police, a transit remand is sought, and she's taken to Patna. It's an unlikely option, but it can very well be exercised. Give us option two, Devesh.
The second option is she could be questioned, her statement could be recorded here in Mumbai, and she might be called to Patna to join investigation further, where she can be allowed to stay outside, not in custody. She can be allowed to stay outside, but whenever needed, whenever the investigating team feels, she'll have to join investigation. She'll have to join investigation and come for interrogation, be it on a everyday basis for 15 days, for a month. But she may have to join if she is not arrested.
If she's not arrested, she joins investigation.
Those are the two options available.
Devesh, so if she's not arrested, she joins investigation in Patna.
Yes. Yes.
Will the Mumbai police...
FIR has been registered in Patna.
Yes. So will the Mumbai police now transfer the case to the Patna police? All the interrogations, the documents, the diary that they have maintained, will it all now be transferred to the Patna police?
Preeti, Mumbai police hasn't registered a case. Mumbai police has registered an accidental death.
Yes.
In connection with the suicide that happened, in connection with the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. So this probe was being done to probe on what was the reason that drove Sushant Singh Rajput to his death. As of now, they don't have a case, a prosecution case to be, so that anyone could be charged for that, because this was, as earlier also pointed out, from the post-mortem report, from the viscera report, this was a case of suicide. So an accidental death was registered. It could only be if Sushant's father, as he complained in Patna, Mumbai police, as we had earlier also pointed out, this morning also we pointed out that Mumbai police had been asking Meetu Singh to join investigations. Meetu Singh is sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, who was that day present at his residence when the door lock was broken into and they entered inside and found Sushant dead. Meetu Singh has been called multiple times. They have requested her to come and re-record her statement, so that if the family had any kind of complaints,
Devesh,
they could
whatever
bring that to their
interrogation
notice
in this
and
regard
a case
was
could be
done.
registered. But they had...
Devesh, whatever interrogation in this regard was done of Riya Chakrabarti by the Mumbai police, that diary now will be transferred to the Patna police, right? Because now there is an FIR.
The details, Preeti, could be shared. The statement that Riya had given to Mumbai police, that could be shared. The details of companies, properties, other transactional details that Mumbai police has with them could be shared with Bihar State Police. So that is a protocol. If a state police needs details from a particular another state's police, they can seek for those, they can ask for those details, and those can be transferred to them through proper channels. So these details can be transferred. The 40-odd statements that Mumbai police has recorded,
Devesh,
those can be shared with Bihar police.
Devesh, thank you for giving us the details. So the options right now, and I'll pull our reporters back our entertainment editor Sushant and our legal expert and our legal correspondent Anisha back into the conversation. You know, Sushant, now there are two options. Either the police goes ahead, because most of these charges are non-bailable. They go ahead, make an arrest, take Riya Chakrabarti to Patna. Or the other, option to exercise by the Bihar police is that they ask her to join investigation, but she will have to go to Patna. Are you getting in any word? Because right now, this FIR clearly has generated a fair bit of shock and awe in Bollywood.
You know, Preeti, my sense is that both of them have a lot to answer. Not only Riya Chakrabarti, but let me read another portion from this complaint. Father says that iske uprant, once Riya left the house, you remember I told you that they've complained that she left with cash, jewelry, oil cards, some money. He said, iske uprant, Sushant Singh Rajput ने मेरी बेटी को फोन करके बतलाया कि रिया मुझे फंसा देगी, ये काफी सामान लेकर चली गई है और मुझे धमकी देकर गई है कि अगर तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी तो मैं सारे इलाज के कागजात मीडिया में ओपन कर दूंगी और तुम बर्बाद हो जाओगे. So this happened, they are saying 8/9/2020. Since then, for 40 days, why haven't they spoken? If this is true, that he called his sister and told him all of this about Riya Chakrabarti, that she had left with these valuables, and she's going to complain that she might give his medical reports to the media, and he was scared about that. Why did they take about 40 days to file this complaint now?
Sushant, what's interesting is, and Devesh will be able to even echo the same thought, when the family was questioned whether they suspected anyone, they said no. Devesh, am I right?
Exactly.
See, what our sources are telling us, that Bihar police has spoken to Mumbai police officials. When they came to Mumbai, they spoke to them, and there are chances that they could arrest Riya Chakrabarti. They could seek her arrest, but primarily her statement would be recorded depending on what kind of statement she gives. Primarily,
all right,
to
so that's
Bihar
the big thing.
team.
All right, so that's the big news that we're tracking. An arrest could possibly be made. Possibly. We are not saying it's going to be made, but as my colleague Devesh is pointing out, that the Bihar police has spoken to the Mumbai police, the team in charge of this case, and they have indicated they could possibly make that arrest. But I want to once again go back to what Sushant was saying. There is a lot that needs to be investigated. Viewers, this is just a complaint. This doesn't pin the blame on Riya Chakrabarti until proven. It needs to be investigated. Because one thing is clear, Sushant, which we were talking about, and Anisha, I'll bring you in as well. If you remember, Anisha, the initial investigation seemed to suggest that the Mumbai police asked parents of Sushant Singh Rajput after the suicide that did they suspect anyone. The official version of that was they said no. But right now the sister said, and this is implicating because the sister said Sushant spoke to her and said that Riya Chakrabarti could blackmail him.
Is an initial complaint, and from complaint to arrest to trial is a long road. What we need to remember at this stage is that this is a complaint that was filed by a distraught father who's been trying to find out exactly what happened to his son. He's putting together the entire story as he knows and telling it to the police. So at this moment, we should just wait and see what the Bihar police now does. As Devesh pointed out, there are two options for the Bihar police, whether they arrest or whether they not arrest, whether they interrogate in Mumbai or whether they question, call her for questioning in Bihar. In addition, they can ask the Mumbai police to give them all the documentation, all the evidence that has come so far. What state and what turn this investigation will take, we'll have to wait and see once the investigation actually starts. Because remember, a lot of stories, a lot of skeletons will come out when the investigation actually starts. In the last several days, we've seen various versions and various stories coming from various people who've been questioned. They've talked about Sushant Singh Rajput's last days. They've talked about his life. They've talked about his mental health at the time. So at this moment, what we need to remember is that this is a complaint that the police has just begun investigating. So what the role of his family was and what the role of his
everything would need to be investigated, and we're quite sure that Riya Chakrabarti will have her version. Right now, what we can present, which is now the backbone of an FIR, is the father's version and the family of Sushant Singh Rajput's version, which blames Riya Chakrabarti fairly squarely for the suicide. Devesh, when is the team of the Bihar police expected in Mumbai?
Preeti, the team is already in Mumbai. They are presently, what we learn, they are at Riya Chakrabarti's residence, and the questioning would have been started already. police would also go on to check all the official bank accounts, whatever transactions Riaz had. What was the source of income for those transactions? That will also be probed, because the nature of allegations is very serious, and it's a very huge amount that Mr. KK Singh has mentioned in the FIR. He's mentioned that 17 crores have been siphoned off. So the trail of this money, if this money was transferred to some anonymous accounts, to Ria's account or any other accounts, or the company accounts which Sushant, Ria and Ria's brother jointly owned, these two companies, if those were transferred to those accounts, that also needs to be checked. That complete trail on where this money was transferred, did it come from Sushant's account, as pointed out by Sushant's father? What was the trail? Where all did it go?
All of that needs to be investigated. Appreciate you both for joining us. Thank you, Sushant. Thank you, Devesh and Anisha. This is the big breaking news that we're getting in. The Bihar Patna police right now is at Ria Chakrabarti's residence. Then interrogation is going on. Is an arrest imminent? Could be. We don't know what the Bihar police has in mind, because most of these charges are non-bailable. Could she be arrested today? Well, we don't know. However, the fact is there are two options. Either she's arrested, taken back to Patna, or the police tells her that she needs to go to Patna to join the investigation. Thank you all for joining us. We're going to keep a keen eye on developments. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.